Warning: this food gives breast cancer, weight gain, thyroid, brain damage, and more. Many women believe that soy supplementation is beneficial in preventing or treating breast cancer, at least in the United States. However, a new study published in the Journal of the National Cancer Institute suggests that soy could have an adverse effect on breast cancer. And not only soy, but also soybeans, such as tofu. The impact of soy consumption on the prevention and treatment of breast cancer is unclear. This research shows that the administration of soy supplements alters the expression of genes associated with breast cancer, raising concerns that soy could have adverse effects on these tumors. Soybean may exert a stimulating effect on breast cancer in a subgroup of women. To clarify this issue, Moshe Shaikh, Department of Medicine at Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center and Weill Cornell Medical College, USA, and colleagues conducted a randomized placebo-controlled study of the effects of soy supplements on gene expression and markers of breast cancer risk among women diagnosed with invasive breast cancer. The study, conducted between 2003 and 2007, involved a total of 140 patients who were randomly assigned to supplement soy protein, or placebo, milk protein, supplements from the initial surgical consultation to the day before surgery. Tumor tissues were then analyzed for diagnostic biopsy, pre-treatment, and at the time of resection, post-treatment, and changes were observed in several genes that promote cell cycle progression and cell proliferation among women in the group soy. These data raise concerns that soy can exert a stimulating effect on breast cancer in a subgroup of women, the authors conclude. Soy can not only promote breast cancer, but also increase weight, thyroid and brain damage. Great care.